This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a C# script inside Unity so you can attach behavior quickly. Create or open a project, then right-click the Assets folder and choose Create C# script. Name it with intent, like Player Controller. Open it in Visual Studio or Writer from Unity so the editor links compile automatically. Once done, confirm the assembly definition or default assembly targets are correct. This first step removes friction. You now have a script file, editor linkage, and compiler connection ready for implementation. Now you implement behavior inside the script. Replace placeholder comments with fields and methods. Use serialize field to expose private variables in the inspector and public properties sparingly for encapsulation. Implement awake and start for initialization, and update for per frame logic. Use fixed update for physics. Save the file and return to Unity so the editor compiles the assembly. If the console reports errors, read the first error and open the script to correct it, because one error stops all compilation. Fix that and recompile automatically. Finish by attaching the script to the appropriate game object. Drag it onto the object or use Add Component and select your script. Populate exposed fields in the inspector and press play to test behavior. Use debug. Log for quick runtime checks. If something fails, stop play, inspect the console for errors and warnings, and verify references, null fields, and component dependencies. One key troubleshooting tip. Resolve the top console error first. Addressing the root compile or null reference issue usually restores proper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.